return to the Pink Panther and Sons.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now anchored at the unspoiled tropical island paradise of Lava Loa, so you may enjoy a day on its beautiful beaches.
Gee, Dad, this South Sea cruise was a great idea, especially with all our Rainbow Panther friends and their folks along.
Oh, Mother, isn't this island impressive with its overwhelming abundance of luxuriant vegetation?
Yes, dear, I'm in total agreement with your exuberance and enthusiasm for the exquisitely exotic tropical flora.
What did they say?
Enjoy yourselves, and don't forget our luau lunch at noon.
Oh, boy, I like luau. Who can wait for lunch? We need a little slack. No, sneak. No, I'm a snack.
Just don't spill.
Spell.
Spoil your appetite, son.
Later, Dad, we're gonna find our own private beach.
Correct, Mother. But we have every expectation of returning at the designated hour for the afternoon's sumptuous repast.
That's right, Pup. We'll be back by the 12th round. 12 o'clock.
Thanks for the solar-powered sand shovel, Dad. And Lava Loa Island remains basically the same as it did 50 million years ago, when dinosaurs ruled unchallenged.
Well, I'm the same as I was 15 minutes ago. Pink. How about some more tanning lotion, Panky?
Okay.
Sometimes you squeeze me the wrong way, little brother.
Look what I found. Yeah, if you listen close, you can see the ear. Hear the sea. Wow, you not only hear the sea, you feel it too. This is a fortuitous opportunity to probe the atoll's interior for fossil specimens.
No kidding. That's terrific, Chatta. Just make sure you keep an eye on the little guy.
That goes without saying, Pinky. The initial points of inquiry are sandstone formations dating from the Paleolithic era. Isn't that particularly fascinating, Panky? The various striations indicate an extensive substrata of... and the verdant jungle slopes gently back to the diatomaceous beach. Hey, Chatta found a funnel, a vessel, a fossil. I did? Where? Here, vessel. On the contrary, Panky, this is no stone fossil, but a certifiably genuine grade A egg.
Then how about another round of breakfast?
Relax, Panky. Murphle brought plenty of food.
Yeah, I don't boy every minute. Should I have Y or mo meat? Or a rye or whole meat? My solar sand shovel!
My gloves!
My know-it-all reference book!
Hey!
What do you call that?
I call it hungry.
In form and feature, face and limb, this curious creature resembles an extinct prehistoric species of dinosaur.
No way. It's just your everyday basic tropical lizard. A very hungry tropical lizard.
And he's going back for seconds.
I'll take him out in the first round. Whew, you know, this guy could be a real contender.
Beats me, Murphle. I don't know where he came from either, but it might be cool if he left.
Oh, let him stay, please.
Well, I guess so, Panky. You sweet-talked me into it.
Yippee! Oh,
Oh, this guy's really into affection.
no, like this.
Hey, we've been sandbagged before the last bell.
Hey, Panky, tell your rowdy pal to watch it, will ya?
Okay. Hey!
Hey, Murph, are you keeping our food safe from that hungry phone dial? A turnstile? A reptile?
Obviously, this specimen possesses an insatiably voracious appetite.
Fantastic sandcastle! A fantastic sandcastle, Annie!
Thanks, Pumpkin. Take a picture.
Right. I'll preserve it for posterior. Prosperity. No, I mean posterity. Oops.
Oh, you ruined my castle, you homewrecker!
But I got a good action shot.
I'm afraid your friend is a bit of a drag, Panky. We'll just have to relocate. Say goodbye. Let's go.
Bye-bye.
How does this beach look?
Occupied. Yeah, how do we lose this pest?
Wait, catch!
Panky's given me an idea. Come on, Panthers. I need your help.
This stratagem permits sufficient time to elude our persistent pursuer.
In other words, give us a head start. Fire! Good time to split, Panky.
Yeah, last one in is a rotten egg.
Oh, don't mention the word egg. That's where all our problems began.
Look! How odd! I didn't know he could swim. Oh, good. The unfortunate reptile appears to be making a wonderfully rapid recovery.
Yeah, he's back in top shape.
But still on our tail.
You know, I never thought Panky would let anyone come between us. Finally, they're both asleep. Come on. Now's our chance to sneak off to the big luau lunch.
That's easy for you to say, Murphle. Oh, this is some layaway. Layout.
What'll it be, kiddo? Pineapple? Coconut? Papaya? Uh-oh. Mr. Super Appetite is back.
Too late, Murphle. He's eaten everything but the thatched hut. Oh, make that including the thatched hut.
I'm sure you will all enjoy the magnificent luau buff. Hey! Who's responsible for this? A little lizard ate the luau, eh? Ha! You expect me to believe that?
Certainly, because despite the incriminating situation, that ravenous reptile is the actual culprit.
Yeah, the guy's got a real knockout munch.
He must be around here somewhere, Dad.
Maybe he had to eat and run. I hope you know your parents will have to pay for all this. Now back to the ship.
Yeah, there goes our allowance.
Forget the allowance. Where's Panky?
You hide here.
Panky!
They went this way.
In here, Panthers. Panky!
Hi, Pinky.
Panky!
That's it, Mama.
Wish I could say pleased to meet you, ma'am, but we were just leaving.
See? This confirms my initial hypothesis. He's a contemporary prehistoric dinosaur. I just wish I could have studied him further.
Where are those kids? Well, what kept you? Another lizard?
You know, Captain, you'd never believe us in a million years. 50 million for that matter.